Hello and welcome to Motor Match Bolton. My name is Charlotte and today I'll be taking around this used vehicle. Say hello to the 2021 model Peugeot 208 PureTech Active Premium that is fresh in stock and does come complemented in a desired white paintwork. It does also house your 1.2 petrol engine and handy manual transmission, making it the ideal nippy city upgrade for any individual. Packed with plenty of top features, including enhanced visibility with your Eco LED headlights. You do also have 16-inch alloy wheels, and for further protection, parking sensors and even your power folding wing mirrors. The boot does offer plenty of space to accommodate your daily essentials, whilst the cloth upholstery offers comfort all round with your contrasting and sporty orange stitching and fitted Isofix points. And stepping into the front, you will find your multifunctional leather steering wheel for further convenience, with access to your 7-inch colour touchscreen, and again your full cloth trim for further comfort in the front. Followed by seamless navigation around the vehicle with your various audio controls on the steering wheel, with your options to navigate around your cockpit display with all of your vital driving data, and even the added bonus of your cruise control and speed limiter features to assist when you are out on those motorways. Moving across, you do have access to your built-in navigation system, so this can assist in unfamiliar areas, complete with your points of interest so you can quickly get around. You do also have your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity and a variation of radio stations to keep you endlessly entertained. You do also have your on-screen driving functions and vehicle settings to easily keep an eye on the condition. You do also have your parking sensors, which will be activated when you are manoeuvring, followed by your on-screen climate control for a more desired temperature, and even your driving profiles to store your preferences. Further climate controls are found just below, alongside your handy storage pocket and various power outlets, alongside your central cup holders and 12-volt power outlet. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.